everyone, thanks for tuning in again. This is your weekly update for Saturday, June 29th, 2019. This week I'm coming at you from the Albarn Market. We are finally open for the season. We have, believe it or not, fresh Ohio sweet corn. It is sweet, it is crisp, it is delicious. We also have Ohio grown tomatoes. These are all from the Marietta, Ohio region. Came up a couple of days ago. We picked up the Ohio tomatoes just yesterday. We also have some delicious heirloom tomatoes if you haven't tried those yet. We have Cherokee purple and brandywine. We also have orange tomatoes, which are considered low acid. That's like your hillbilly variety. Let me show you around in the market. One change you'll notice this year in the Albarn is we are reducing the use of single-use plastics. As you shop, you may not see as many plastic bags as you used to. You will see more paper. We encourage you to use reusable shopping totes. If you forgot yours in the car, we have some here for purchase. We have these styles here and our regular red Albarn tote. I want to thank you again for tuning in. I promise next week we'll talk about plants again, but this week it was all about this fresh produce. Okay, see you soon. Thank you.